Okay, I want to show you a quick way to add decals like this or text detail without affecting the entire object you have. So for example, here I have a Blender logo and I can see that it's getting added everywhere except the windows, so it's not affecting the windows. And let me show you another example by switching out this decal for water streaks. Let me first switch off this. These leaks here to be, I want the leaks to be just there, but I don't want them to go through the windows. Let me first change the this to multiply. Yeah, so you can see how much this helps to add extra detail to the building, but I also didn't want it to affect the other textures. So let me make a copy of the building here, and I'm just going to add an empty object to help me with the coordinates. Let me add texture coordinates here, make sure this is object, and set it to empty. Okay, so this is where we add, and I want them exactly there. Mix this over the old texture, just like that. And I'm also going to set this to multiply. So you think this comes, so yeah, you can see what I have, but you can see it's going over the windows, and I don't want that. So the quickest way is to just use the vertex colors, vertex color attributes, and you can select the windows, and good enough, have them already selected. You can create a new map, and I'll call this W for windows, and set the color to white maybe. And okay, now I can just bring that attribute here, W. Let's go to vertex paint, and I'll shade these selected faces. So I can go to paint, set vertex colors, and you can see now my windows are dark. So I can go back to object mode, take a look at this. You can see my mask now. I can simplify it by using a compare node. I set this to greater than, and that way I can reduce the spread of the vertex color. But we can see that the middle faces are also getting selected because they share the same vertices with the edges. I think I need to bring this even tighter, so something like that. So I can select these faces, middle faces that I don't want to have that color, then go back to vertex paint and give them a white color. So set color, I think this, paint, set color, just like that. And yeah, I have a mask, so now I can use this as the factor here. And now we should only have the mask on the bricks, not on the windows. If you have texture folders, I compressed all that workflow into a single button. For example, if I get rid of this, I can just search for the logo, Blender logo, and select the decal. Let me move it here. Scale it up. You can see it's still going over the windows, so I can select the mesh and create a mask from geometry. Let me call it W for windows, and yeah, it's done. So then I can come in here and just bring in that mask and just use it here. So perfect. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.